Bus terminals signify a significant step towards reshaping the transportation landscape and the general scenery in Oyo State. It also stands as a flagship symbol of what purposeful leadership and governance entails. The terminals are designed to meet global standards as evident in the features highlighted above.
I have always wondered that this area can be transformed to be like this. Well done, our governor. Thank you very much for commissioning this. When you first came to the park, you promised that you would do a lot of things, and you are keeping to all the things that you promised.
We have such an edifice in Oyo State, in Ibadan for that matter, because we know that our governor is a forward-looking, focused person. And I wish to state that it's not only within Oyo State that he is doing this sort of development is going on also in the judiciary.
What these bus terminals are meant for. The one here and the two here and the two that you have done before. And as you said, this Ibadan being the capital, not only of Oyo State, but of former Western state, of former Western region, and we can even say Ibadan, capital of Yoruba land.
Let me use this opportunity to again explain why this circular road matters. It is not just a road project, it is an economic backbone. We are not only constructing a highway, we're building a corridor of opportunity. A fẹ́ jẹun ọmọ nínú oyún.